Welcome to New Zealand, a land where ancient forests meet snow-capped peaks, and turquoise waters teem with life. This island nation is a treasure trove of biodiversity, home to creatures found nowhere else on Earth. From the towering kauri trees to the smallest insects, every living thing plays a vital role in the delicate balance of nature. We'll journey through lush rainforests, climb rugged mountains, and dive into the depths of the ocean. Prepare to encounter creatures both familiar and strange, each with its own story to tell. Join us as we embark on an adventure to discover New Zealand's wild wonders. The natural world faces numerous threats, and New Zealand is no exception. Habitat loss, pollution, and climate change all pose significant challenges to the survival of its wildlife. Conservation efforts are underway across the country, led by dedicated individuals and organizations. By supporting sustainable practices and raising awareness about the importance of conservation, we can all contribute to a brighter future for New Zealand's wildlife. Let's work together to preserve these wild spaces for generations to come. Our journey into the heart of New Zealand's wildlife begins in the lush rainforests, where towering trees form a vibrant green canopy overhead. Sunlight filters through the leaves, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor. These forests are home to a fascinating array of mammals, each uniquely adapted to this environment. As we venture deeper into this green maze, we'll encounter creatures both large and small, each playing a vital role in the delicate balance of this ecosystem. High in the southern Alps above the tree line lives a bird renowned for its intelligence and mischievous nature, the kea. These alpine parrots, with their olive-green plumage and bright orange underwings, are a sight to behold against the backdrop of snow-capped peaks. Kea are highly social birds, living in groups and communicating with a complex range of calls and whistles. Their curiosity is legendary, often investigating anything new in their environment, from backpacks to car antennas. Despite their playful antics, kea play a crucial role in the alpine ecosystem, consuming a variety of plants, insects, and carrion. As we delve deeper into the New Zealand wilderness, we encounter the unsung heroes of these ecosystems, the decomposers. Fungi, in their various forms, are essential to this process, breaking down dead wood, leaves, and even animal remains. This decomposition process releases essential nutrients back into the soil, making them available for plants to absorb. Insects, too, play a crucial role in decomposition, breaking down organic matter and aerating the soil. These decomposers, though small and often hidden, are the unsung heroes that keep these ecosystems thriving. We leave the lush forests behind and journey now to a realm where sunlight dances on the water's surface, hinting at the wonders hidden beneath. New Zealand's aquatic ecosystems, from its vast oceans to its pristine rivers and lakes, are teeming with life as diverse and captivating as the land itself. In the crystal-clear waters of the South Island's alpine lakes, we encounter the ancient and enigmatic kura, a freshwater crayfish found only in New Zealand. Venturing out to sea, we encounter playful New Zealand fur seals, their sleek bodies gliding effortlessly through the waves. Deeper still, in the twilight zone where sunlight fades, we discover a world of bioluminescent creatures, their ethereal glow illuminating the darkness. Along New Zealand's extensive coastline, where the land meets the sea, lies a unique and vibrant ecosystem, the intertidal zone. This constantly changing environment, exposed to the ebb and flow of the tides, is home to a remarkable array of creatures specially adapted to survive in this challenging habitat. Clinging to the rocks, we find brightly colored starfish, their arms slowly moving as they feed on mussels and barnacles. Sea anemones, resembling delicate flowers, unfurl their tentacles, waiting to capture unsuspecting prey with their stinging cells. Hermit crabs, carrying their borrowed shells, scuttle across the sand, scavenging for food. In the vast expanse of the open ocean, far from the shores, swim some of New Zealand's most impressive marine inhabitants, whales and dolphins. Humpback whales, known for their incredible acrobatic displays and haunting whale songs, migrate through New Zealand waters during their breeding season. Witnessing these gentle giants breaching the surface is an unforgettable experience. Orcas, or killer whales, are another iconic species found in New Zealand waters, living in complex family groups called pods. These magnificent creatures remind us of the importance of protecting our oceans from pollution, overfishing, and climate change. From the depths of the ocean we ascend to the realm of the clouds, where the air is alive with the sights and sounds of New Zealand's avian inhabitants. Among the most iconic of New Zealand's birds is the majestic Karearea, or New Zealand falcon, a fierce and agile predator. In contrast to the Karearea's aerial prowess, the weka, a flightless bird found in New Zealand's forests and grasslands, has adapted to life on the ground. The kakapo, another flightless bird endemic to New Zealand, is a true marvel of evolution. This nocturnal parrot, with its mossy green plumage and distinctive owl-like face, is the world's heaviest parrot and the only one known to have a lek breeding system. As dawn breaks over the New Zealand landscape, the air fills with a chorus of birdsong, a symphony of trills, whistles and calls that heralds the start of a new day. From the high-pitched chirps of the fantail to the melodious song of the tui, each bird contributes its unique voice to the soundscape. The bellbird, named for its clear, bell-like call, is another virtuoso of the avian world. In the alpine regions, the haunting call of the kea echoes across the mountain slopes. The symphony of the birds is a constant reminder of the beauty and diversity of New Zealand's wildlife. Birds play a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of New Zealand's ecosystems. The tui, with its brush-tipped tongue, is a vital pollinator of many native New Zealand plants. Kararu, or New Zealand pigeons, with their large appetites for fruit, play a crucial role in seed dispersal. Birds of prey, such as the Karearea and the moorpork, help to control populations of rodents and other small animals. Their presence or absence can have a significant impact on the overall biodiversity of a region. Our exploration of New Zealand's wildlife now takes us back in time, to a world where reptiles and amphibians ruled the land. Among the most iconic of New Zealand's reptiles is the tuatara, often referred to as a living fossil. Lizards too have found a home in New Zealand's diverse habitats, showcasing a remarkable array of colors, patterns, and behaviors. While reptiles are generally associated with warmer climates, New Zealand's native frogs have adapted to survive in a variety of environments. These amphibians play important roles in their respective ecosystems, controlling insect populations and serving as indicators of environmental health. Life for New Zealand's reptiles and amphibians is often a delicate balancing act, a constant negotiation between the challenges of their environment and the remarkable adaptations that allow them to thrive. Many of New Zealand's native frogs have evolved to inhabit small, isolated pockets of habitat, often in alpine regions or on offshore islands. To survive in these demanding conditions, these frogs have developed remarkable adaptations. Some species have evolved to retain moisture in their skin, allowing them to withstand prolonged periods of dryness. Reptiles, too, have developed unique strategies for coping with New Zealand's variable climate. The ability of these creatures to adapt and thrive in such challenging environments is a testament to the power of natural selection and the resilience of life in the face of adversity. While reptiles and amphibians may not possess the same charismatic appeal as some of New Zealand's more iconic animals, a closer look reveals a world of hidden wonders, intricate adaptations, and fascinating behaviors that are no less captivating. Geckos possess remarkable adhesive abilities with specialized toe pads covered in millions of tiny hairs, or setae, allowing them to cling to smooth surfaces even upside down. This adaptation has fascinated scientists and inspired new adhesives. The skin of many reptiles and amphibians is another source of wonder. From vibrant colors to toxic secretions, their skin serves various functions. Many amphibians undergo metamorphosis, transforming from aquatic tadpoles to terrestrial adults. By appreciating these creatures, we understand the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Our journey through New Zealand's wild wonders takes a poignant turn as we confront the profound impact of human activity on nature. From the moment humans first set foot on these islands, their presence has shaped the landscape and its inhabitants. The arrival of humans brought new challenges for New Zealand's wildlife. Deforestation, habitat loss, and invasive species have pushed some species to the brink of extinction. The story of the moa, a giant flightless bird, stands as a stark reminder of human impact. Hunted to extinction, the moa's demise is a cautionary tale about conservation. Yet, amidst these challenges, there is hope. Across the nation, efforts are underway to restore and protect what remains. From community initiatives to government programs, there is a growing movement to safeguard New Zealand's wildlife. The future of New Zealand's wildlife hinges on our ability to coexist harmoniously with nature. This requires a fundamental shift in our perspective, recognizing that we are not separate from nature, but rather an integral part of it. Our actions, no matter how small, have ripple effects that extend far beyond our immediate surroundings. Conservation is not just the responsibility of scientists, policymakers, or conservationists. It is a collective responsibility that falls on each and every one of us. By making conscious choices in our daily lives, we can all contribute to creating a brighter future for New Zealand's wildlife. Supporting sustainable practices, reducing our carbon footprint, and advocating for responsible land management are just a few ways we can make a difference. Educating ourselves and future generations about the importance of conservation is crucial for fostering a sense of stewardship and ensuring that the wonders of New Zealand's wildlife endure. Imagine a future where human activity no longer poses a threat to the survival of these precious creatures. A future where the haunting call of the Kiwi echoes through protected forests, where the kea continues to captivate with its playful antics, and where the waters teem with life, a testament to our commitment to conservation. It is easy to feel overwhelmed by the scale of the environmental challenges we face, but it is important to remember that every action, no matter how small, has the power to make a difference. Each step we take towards a more sustainable future, each act of conservation, brings us closer to a world where humans and wildlife can thrive together. By choosing to reduce our consumption, we lessen our impact on the environment. By opting for sustainable products, we support businesses that prioritize conservation. By simply being mindful of our actions and their consequences, we become more conscious stewards of the planet. Volunteering our time to support local conservation initiatives, donating to organizations dedicated to protecting New Zealand's wildlife, or simply spreading awareness about the importance of conservation within our communities are all meaningful ways to contribute. The future of New Zealand's wild wonders rests in our hands. Let us choose to be the generation that makes a difference, that turns the tide against environmental degradation, and that ensures that these precious creatures continue to grace our planet for generations to come. Remember, every action counts. Together we can make a difference. Our journey through New Zealand's wild places has revealed a tapestry of life as diverse as it is delicate. From the towering kauri trees to the smallest insects hidden within the rainforest floor, every creature plays a vital role in the intricate web of life. New Zealand's isolation has fostered a unique collection of plants and animals, many found nowhere else on Earth, making this land a true treasure trove of biodiversity. We've witnessed the kea, the world's only alpine parrot, with its mischievous nature and remarkable intelligence. We've delved into the depths of the ocean, encountering playful seals and majestic whales, reminders of the vastness and wonder of the marine world. And we've explored the ancient forests, home to the elusive kiwi and the critically endangered kakapo, symbols of New Zealand's unique natural heritage. These creatures and countless others represent a legacy of wonder passed down through generations. They are a testament to the power of nature to adapt, evolve, and inspire. But this legacy is not ours to squander. It is a responsibility entrusted to us, a call to action to protect and preserve these treasures for future generations. The future of New Zealand's wildlife lies in coexistence. We must acknowledge our interconnectedness with nature. By embracing sustainable practices, we can help ensure these wild wonders thrive. Protecting wildlife is a collective endeavor. Every action, no matter how small, makes a difference. Conscious choices in our daily lives contribute to a healthier planet. Be inspired by the resilience of the tuatara. Embrace the playful spirit of the kea. strive to ensure the Kiwi's call echoes through protected forests. This is our shared journey, safeguarding New Zealand's wildlife. Let us embark on this journey together, with hope and determination.